Pushpam and welcome to Sitecore Shades. So today I am going to show you what is digital rights management. So DRM prevents the unauthorized use and download of restricted asset. So how we can prevent that? So for that first we need to implement the rights profiles and the DRM contracts. So if you see that in the content hub we have two types of assets. One is unrestricted, anyone can access that without any restriction, and restricted on so the user can only download the asset if the intent use complies the defined rules. So we can define all the rules in the DRM section. So let's get started. And here we have to remember one thing: clicking a public link to a restricted asset return a 404 error unless you have permission to download the asset. We, it's very important. We have to remember that. Okay, let's get started. So for that, first we need to create the DRM contract. Where can I create that? Okay. So for creating that, in the top section we can find the DRM and then click on DRM contracts. And yes, there is no contract now. Let me create a new contract and I will give the name Sitecore Shades. And if you see this name is the mandatory field. So this thing we need to remember, and the other two fields are not mandatory. So license is Sitecore Shades license. Let's give some name. And then restriction. You can't access this file from um, USA, and then save. I have updated my DRM contract. If you like to edit your contract, then you can use this edit button, and then yes, here it's showing everything. Okay, if you like to show only this option, yeah. If you like to show only the name, then we can remove this one. It's for business users. Okay, the DRM contract is ready. So what? So now we have to associate the rights profile to our DRM, and either we can create a new rights profile or else we can connect the existing right profiles. So for that we have to come to this DRM and then DRM contract. Just click on this DRM, and here I can see the rights profile. So here you can go and then you can create a new one or else you can use the existing one. So my case, I'm going to create a new one, and let me give the name Europe assets profile. That means users can download from Europe countries, they can't download from the other America or Australian countries. So that time type none, duration, expiration, and then perpetual. Actually in the time type there are three types. So first one is the none. That means, let me show that. Yeah, we don't need to define any time type, but it's here we can see if you like to give the rights profile that should not expire anywhere, then you can use the last option. And if you like to give the exact date of expiry, then you can use this one, and duration you can use this one. And yes, and then I will go with this one, and then territories, and here I can see the world. But my case I'm going to give few countries. Okay. mm, France and Germany. And then media, so this case it should allow the users who is from France and Germany. And then media is let's go with all media now. And then let's check the options. Okay, year of copyright, and then adaptation rights and rights note. It's more related with the business, so you can check with your business and you can update these fields. But for now I'm going to uh, for now I'm going to leave it as empty, then save. Okay, our rights is ready. And then we can go to info tab, and okay, there is no option to save, so we can go back and let's come back again. Just check our rights. Yeah, okay, our DRM is ready, our right profile is ready. How we can map this right profile to any of the asset? So here we have a option to upload our files. If you like to upload the file, then you can upload. Okay, I will try. I have this one, so done. And let me give the different name here. Edit, and then my new my new asset, and then save, and then view detail page. Okay, it's taking time to upload the asset. Let's wait. Meantime, we can go to the DRM again. Okay, it's updated the attachment. So if so, now we can check how we can connect our existing asset to this right profile. Just go here and then click on your profile, and then here we can connect our existing assets. So add existing assets. Let me do it for this one and then this one. Then add. Yes, it's added. Selected item added, and items with the draft were not added. Okay, and then just go to your assets page and click on these assets. Where is that? I think those are in the draft state. Let me add a different asset now. Add assets. Yeah, this one. Add. Yes, it's added. Then refresh. Mm, yeah, this one. In the rights, I can see my rights here. So I will try to download this and then request download, and then here the German and France is automatically added. Let me remove that and then choose the different country. Okay, and then check the rights. Yeah, sorry, this usage is not authorized. If you remove that, if you add the France now, yes, it's giving the options, and we should give the reason for our download purpose. Yeah, that's it. So this is the way we have to do it. And then